Good morning, children. So, today lesson number 4. Today lesson number 4, physical divisions of India. In last class we started and finished that lesson, my children. So now we go for next lesson. We have to complete till lesson number 4, question answers. In class 1 lesson number 4 complete ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fill in the blanks, new text means fill in the blanks, true or false, multiple choice question you have to write in class work. Hard words, only hard words and answer the following you have to write in class work, children. ಬರೀ hard words ಮತ್ತೆ question answers ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. fill in the blanks, true or false, multiple choice questions ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So now we are going to start lesson number 5 about food. Lesson number 5 about food. So food. Why do we need food? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಫುಡ್? Why do we need food? ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು? Why do we need food? We need food to get energy. No, why do we need food? What does food gives us? Food in the means siಗುತ್ತೆ. What does food gives us? Food gives us energy. What does food gives us? Energy. So why do we need energy? Then why do we need energy? ನಮಗೆ energy ಬೇಕು. To do our work, no? To live, to grow, to do our work, we need energy. Why? How do we get that energy? We get energy from the food. So what type of food we have to eat? Now ಯಾವ ತರ food ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು? So we must eat it. We have to follow a balanced diet. Balanced diet na ನಾವು follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಫುಡ್ ನ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ food na ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. So how many times daily you eat? You will take food, children. Daily ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 3 times, no? So daily you will eat 3 times. So morning you will take food, no? What we call that one? Morning ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Morning you will take your food, no? What we call that one? Breakfast. Next, in the noon, means in the after 12 o'clock, in afternoon, in the midday, what you will eat, no? What we call that one? ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಊಟ ತಿಂತೀರಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಲಂಚ್. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್, breakfast you will take at morning, lunch, afternoon, then dinner. When you will take dinner? At what time? At 8:30 p.m. at the night time, no? So that one we call dinner. So only for not only we eat people eat more of rice. In western parts of India, that is Rajasthan and Gujarat, people eat bajra, corn and jawar. So types of food. We will eat different types of food, no children. So the kind of food that people eat depends on the climate, crops grown, culture and practices that they follow. Now think on the food on what they depends. That depends on the climate. So what is the climate? What type of the food we have to take? For example, if there is a cold season means we should not eat the food kept in fridge. Cold iron items ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನಬಾರದು. Why? We will get cough, sneeze. We will get cold to our body. No, so for that purpose, we won't take cold items during winter season or cold season. Cold season or winter season ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್, ನಮಗೆ ಶೀತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡಿಯೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಫುಡ್ ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದ ಫುಡ್ ವಿ ಈಟ್, ನೋ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟ್? Climate. Food we eat that depends on our climate, crop grown, culture and practices that they follow. Food depends on what? Food depends on climate. For that I give an example. Next, crops grown. So ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇರೋಂಥ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಬೆಳೆನ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು they eat as a food. For example, in north side they will grow a wheat ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋಧಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ. So North Indian people they like to eat chapatis that made from wheat. ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿರೋ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಥರ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಫಾಲೋ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇನ್ ಫುಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ our food also depend on the culture, practices, climate, crops grown in that area. So ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The kind of the food depends on the people, upon the climate, crops grown, culture and practices that they follow. The crops that are grown depend upon the type of soil and climate of that particular region. So crops nella ಏನು ಬೆಳೀತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಬೆಳೆನ ಏನು ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ, so it is also depend on the soil and climate of that particular region. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟಿಗೆ, ಆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಬೆಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ? India is so vast that varieties of crops are grown here. So in our country, India is a big country. Vast means big country. So varieties of crops grown here, different types. Varieties of crops are grown in our country. The crops that are grown in a region become the staple food of people who live in that region. So ಆ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೆಳೀತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತಿನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೆಪಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪಲ್ ಫುಡ್. ನಾವು ರೈಸ್ ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸೊ whereas in southern, eastern and coastal parts of India, people eat more of rice. For example, it is example I can see in North India. North India ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Which are the North India? Jammu Kashmir, Punjab. So these are all North India. So what they will grow more wheat. Wheat means ಗೋಧಿ. ಗೋಧಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. So they will grow a more wheat. So there is in North India wheat is the staple food. So it is a staple food. ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Half foods the chapatis ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, rotis that they consume more. So it is the staple food of North India. Wheat is the staple food of North India. So like that in southern, in south, east, in the south and in east parts of India, people eat more of rice. South India dale matte East India dale enagutte, the people consume more rice. So it is a staple food of South India and East Indian peoples. In western parts of India, that is Rajasthan and Gujarat. West side yadu barutte Rajasthan and Gujarat. People eat bajra, corn or jowar. ಜೋಳ, ಮೆಕ್ಕೆಜೋಳ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಪಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? Which is the staple food of North India? Which is the staple food of North India? Which is the staple food of North India? Wheat. South and East. South and East India, which is the staple food of South and East India, that is rice. So our food depends on what? Nam food yaadar ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗಿದೆ? It depends on culture, crops grown there, climate, etc. So all the crops also depends. So the crops grown also depend on the soil. Crops ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ crops ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So it is also depend on a soil and climate of the region. First one is pulses. Pulses means see children in the picture given nante ಕಾಳುಗಳು, green gram, black gram, chickpea, pigeon pea. So these are the pulses. First one, pulses. Various kinds of pulses are popular all over India. Rajma, chickpea, dals like arhar dal, urd dal, black dal, moong dal, masoor dal, chana dal, etc. are eaten all over the country. ಬೇಳೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಹೆಸರು ಬೇಳೆ, ಕಡಲೆ ಬೇಳೆ, ಕಡಲೆ ತೊಗರಿ ಬೇಳೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ರಾಜ್ಮಾ, ಚಿಕ್ಪಿ, ದಾಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅರ್ಹರ್ ದಾಲ್, urd dal, black dal, moong dal, masoor dal, chana dal. So these are dals. Dals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಳೆಗಳು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವರೇ ಇವಾಗ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೌತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್. So all in our country, all the people will use these pulses. Understood children? See, first one is lentil, green gram, black gram, chickpea. Pea means ಬಟಾಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ತರ ಇದು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದು ಚನಾ ದಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So pigeon pea. So see, these are the pulses. Now we got it what is pulses means. So it is used by all the people of our country. Fruits and vegetables. Many varieties of fresh fruits and vegetables are grown in India due to its diverse climate. In pumpkin, cucumber, etc. are available only in summer, whereas cauliflower, peas, carrots and leafy vegetables are available in winters. The vegetables that are available throughout the year are potatoes, brinjal, cabbage, tomatoes and onions. A number of species are grown in India and used in Indian cuisine. Indian foods are famous because they are spicy. We use spices to add flavor to our food. Some of the common spices are garlic, clove, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, fenugreek, black pepper, asafoetida, coriander, chilies, nutmeg, cumin seeds, etc. Most of these species are grown in the southern parts of India. These spices make our Indian curries tasty and colorful. They are in great demand in different parts of the world. Food is cooked using various kinds of edible oil in different regions. Example, mustard oil, vegetable oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, groundnut oil, ghee and butter. So this is all about fruits and vegetables. So which type of fruits and vegetables we need to eat? ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ fruits ಮತ್ತೆ vegetables ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು? So which type of fruits and vegetables we need to eat? We need to eat fresh and healthy fruits and vegetables. No? Fruits and vegetables. Many varieties of fresh fruits and vegetables are grown in India due to its diverse climate. So there is a different climate in our country. So first, our country is a big country. Now India it is a big country and have a diverse climate. So we can grow different types of fruits and vegetables. Yes or no? We can grow different types of fruits and vegetables. So the fruits and vegetables also available for us according to the seasons. For some seasons it will grow. For examples, we get mangoes in summer seasons. Yes or no? We can eat mangoes in the summer seasons. No? Like that. Many varieties of fresh fruits and vegetables are grown in India due to its diverse climate. India ranks second in the world in fruit production. Fruits the ಬೆಳೆಯೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ fruit production ಅಲ್ಲಿ in ನಮ್ಮ India it will stand for second places for fruit production. Every state is famous for some kind of fruits and vegetables. So there are 29 states. So that all state is famous for one fruits and vegetables. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ it make its name. For example, Maharashtra is famous for Alfonso mangoes and oranges. Kashmir is famous for its cherries, apples and apricots. Coconuts are best grown in the soil of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So Alfonso mangoes and oranges. Where it is famous? Alfonso mangoes and oranges. It is famous in Maharashtra. So next, coconut. Coconut ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ. So Kerala is the best production in coconut. After Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have a coconut production. So next, Kashmir. Kashmir and ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Apple. So Kashmir is famous for apple, cherries and apricots. Like this, one state is famous for its production in fruits and vegetables. So next, we can continue next class, students. Today enough this much. So what we learned? Our food is depend on climate, crops grown, culture and practices that they follow. The crops that are grown also depends on the soil and climate. Pulses we learn, different types of pulses we learn. And next, fruits and vegetables in their wheat, rice. Pulses means seeds like arhar, chickpeas, rajma, beans, masoor, urd. These are the pulses. Today enough this much, children. Now I will write some art words on the board that we have to tell now. First one, food. What is the food spelling? Food. Food. Second one, climate. Climate spelling Climate. Climate. Third one, crops. 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 Fourth one, culture. Culture. Next, fifth one, region. 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 Next, Good spelling.